Minimalism isn't just about having fewer possessions, it's about creating a life filled with meaning by focusing on what truly matters. In this tutorial, we'll explore how you can embrace a minimalist lifestyle, reduce waste, and live more sustainably, all while improving your well-being. Understanding minimalism. Begin by recognizing that minimalism is about decluttering both your physical space and your mental environment. The goal is to simplify your life, reduce stress, and focus on experiences and relationships rather than material goods. Declutter your home. Start with one area of your home, like a closet or a room, and remove items you no longer use or need. Donate, sell, or recycle items to keep them out of landfills, and only keep what adds value to your life. Adopt a sustainable wardrobe. Focus on quality over quantity by investing in timeless, versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Support sustainable and ethical fashion brands or shop secondhand to minimize your environmental footprint. Simplify your daily routine. Streamline your daily activities by prioritizing tasks and eliminating unnecessary ones. Use fewer, more natural products in your personal care routine, reducing both clutter and environmental impact. Mindful consumption. Before purchasing anything, ask yourself if it's truly necessary and how it aligns with your values. Choose products that are durable, reusable, and made from sustainable materials. Embrace digital minimalism. Declutter your digital life by organizing your files, unsubscribing from unnecessary emails, and limiting social media use. Use technology purposefully, focusing on tools that enhance your productivity and well-being. Focus on experiences, not things. Redirect your time and resources towards experiences that bring joy and fulfillment, such as spending time with loved ones, traveling, or learning new skills. This shift in focus reduces the desire for material possessions and fosters a more meaningful lifestyle. By adopting a minimalist lifestyle, you not only reduce your environmental impact but also gain clarity and peace of mind. Start small, and remember that minimalism is a journey, not a destination. For more tips on sustainable living, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to Cyber Theo.